Hello skaters! Today we are going to work on different bracket exercises, starting with the basics and moving into more difficult combinations for advanced skaters. We will start on a circle with back-to-back turns to improve your twist position and shoulder check after the turns. These exercises also help with the timing of the turn and with working your knees and ankles before, during, and after the turn. Our first exercise will be with forward outside 3 turn into a backward inside bracket, working in both directions. Make sure your arms are lined up with the circle and your upper body faces the center of the circle. Keep your free leg close to your skating leg throughout the entire exercise and try to keep your movements to a minimum, working only with your skating leg. Rock onto the front of your blade during the forward turn and onto the back of your blade during the backward inside bracket. Now we are going to do forward inside 3 turn with a backward outside bracket. In this exercise, pay attention to the forward 3 turn and make sure you don't over-rotate your hips. This will help prevent your edge from switching from backward outside to backward inside. After the 3 turn, keep your hips under you and your free foot close to your skating leg. Control the backward outside edge into the bracket, keeping your free leg more behind you to avoid changing the edge to the inside, which would turn the bracket into a rocker. Next, we are going to move on to the backward outside 3 turn with a forward inside bracket. I like to keep the free leg turned out and slightly behind on the back outside 3 turn with a soft knee bend. As you bring your free leg to the front, straighten and pointing the toe after the 3 turn, keep it aligned with your skating leg and the circle. Bring your free leg close to your skating leg after the bracket and avoid swinging it too high after the 3 turn, as this can cause a loss of balance and control. Keep your arms stretched around the circle and check your back shoulder after each turn. And the last exercise in this series will be a backward inside 3 turn into a forward outside bracket. In this exercise, pay attention to the exit of the backward inside 3 turn, stay on the forward outside edge, and avoid over-rotating your hips. This will prevent your skating foot from switching the edge from outside to inside, which would turn your bracket into a rocker. Keep your head up, hips under you, and focus on your skating leg. Maintain control and straighten your ankle and knee during the top of the turn. Keep it in bend before and after the turns. Rock from your heel to the front of the blade during the forward outside bracket and press on your heel during the backward inside 3 turn. If you are a beginner skater just starting to work on your 3 turns, sign up for my Figure Skating Foundations video course on my website styleskating.com. There you will find step-by-step tutorials, learn about common mistakes skaters make when learning basic skills, and get exercises and drills to fix those mistakes. Click the link above or check the description below for more information and sign up today. Now we are going to move on to more advanced exercises, combining rockers and counters with brackets. We'll start with a forward outside bracket into a backward outside rocker. Glide on a strong backward outside edge, then execute the backward outside to forward outside rocker. Move your upper body to the outside of the circle, bring your arms through, and perform a forward outside bracket at the top of the circle. Immediately after, go into a backward crossover from the left backward outside edge to the right backward inside edge and push into the next rocker on the opposite foot. Left backward outside to forward outside. Again, move your upper body to the outside of the circle, bringing your arms through and execute a left forward outside bracket followed by a right backward outside to left backward inside crossover. Repeat the sequence. Make sure your rocker is placed exactly on the axis and your bracket at the top of the circle. Now we are going to do a forward inside bracket with a backward outside counter. Start on the right forward inside edge with a bracket, exiting on the right backward outside edge. Immediately continue with a right backward outside to right forward outside counter, then a forward outside to backward inside return. Follow this with a backward crossover from a left backward outside into a right backward inside edge. Step from the right backward inside edge to the left forward inside edge through the mohawk and repeat the sequence on the opposite side. From the left forward inside edge, perform a bracket exiting on the left backward outside edge, then a left backward outside to left forward outside counter, followed by a forward outside to backward inside return. Push onto a right backward outside edge, cross over with the left backward inside edge. Transition with a mohawk from the left backward inside to the right forward inside edge and start the sequence again. During this exercise, remember to control your upper body and arms and to work with your knees and ankles before, during, and after each turn. Straighten slightly at the top of each turn to maintain flow and balance, and bend immediately after the turn to create deeper edge on the exit. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. For more detailed exercises and individualized help, consider joining my YouTube membership, where you can contact me directly via email with any questions about skating exercises and even request a personalized video of your choice. Click the link above or look in the description below to join. The next exercise will be a backward outside bracket sequence. Start with the forward crossover from the right forward outside to the left forward inside edge. Glide on the right forward outside edge, then execute a rocker, exiting on the right backward outside edge. As you exit, bring your arms closer to your hips and shift your upper body to turn into the circle. Immediately after that, perform a right backward outside to right forward inside bracket. Continue with forward crossover now from the left forward outside to the right forward inside edge, then step into a left forward outside rocker, finishing on a left backward outside edge. Bring your arms through, change your upper body position to prepare for the bracket, and execute a left backward outside to left forward inside bracket. From there, repeat the entire sequence. Our last exercise for today will be a backward inside bracket sequence. Start with a right backward outside to left backward inside crossover, followed by a left backward inside to left forward outside bracket. Immediately after, go into a left forward outside to left backward outside counter, crossing in front with the right backward inside edge. Glide on the right backward inside edge and continue with backward crossover to start a new circle with a left backward outside to right backward inside execution. Next, perform a right backward inside bracket, gliding on the right forward outside edge after, followed by a right forward outside to right backward outside counter, crossing in front with the left foot into the left backward inside edge. Start the pattern again. During this exercise, try to avoid excessive arm and free leg movements. Keep your feet closer together during the turns and focus on extending your free leg through your crossovers. That wraps up today's brackets exercises. Remember, practice slowly and focus on proper edges, body alignment, and control throughout each turn. Consistent practice will help improve your balance, timing, and flow on the ice. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.